I don't care. Operation Java is not going to be jeopardised.
But 2 of our nuclear submarines are already missing.
Missing? That's a very polite way of putting it.
Now, I refuse to believe the Russians are involved. They simply haven't got the resources to...
The Russians have got more resources than we know of. That's why I'm calling in our best man.
Who?
You'll see. Come.
Good morning, Minister. Good morning, Admiral.
Admiral Dacron, meet Roger Explosion.
Thank you very much, sir.
Your reputation precedes you.
Sorry. Thank you very much, sir. Minister, I came as soon as I received your phone call.
I appreciate it. Explosion, what do you know about Operation Java?
Looks at Commander.
Good luck, Explosion. We're counting on you.
Yeah, was that right?
I'm going to ask you for the plans again.
Do what you like to me. I'll never talk.
Oh, you will talk, all right, baby.
Leave her alone! Leave her alone, Buto!
You go to hell, Explosion!
Not if I see you first! Are you all right, Ethel? It's nothing. Sorry, go on.
It's you I'm worried about.
This? Oh, it's nothing. All in a day's work for me, Roger Explosion's secret agent.
Well, I don't know how you did it, Explosion, but you did. The free world's safe again. Congratulations.
And may I congratulate you too, Explosion, on behalf of the naval forces.